morning. We are now at the Philippine National Museum, wherein I believe this is an old Senate house. And at this point, we are on the second floor, wherein we feature the history of Philippines. We started with Magellan here in the early 1500s, right? And then defended came here with I think it is in the Spanish era. Then as we focus on here, this will be on Magellan, right? I believe this is the Magellan. Okay, so this is the early in the 1600s we were colonized by the Spain, and then we have also been colonized by the Chinese, China, okay, Chinese influence. And then what we have here, this is from the Spanish colonization and the Chinese colonization, and then we have also here from the British colonization. Okay, so but majority would be on the Spanish colonization. So we come to this point. This is where the upo ng mga na pinaglalaban ating Pilipinas, no? Where we started our Philippine heroes. Until such, we come up to we have Magellan, no? Considered as our national hero. And then, of course, the Katipunero, KKK. Jose Rizal, of course. Jose Rizal, which is considered our national hero. And then, they fight for those who colonized us, no? Especially the Spanish colonization. And then we have of course, the KKK led by Apolinario Andres Bonifacio. Okay, so they fight for us until such. Let's move forward. Let's move forward, please. This one, Bridge of Paris, wherein it ended the Spanish colonization, at least 1898 something, early 1900s. Okay? Then the Spanish colonization ended it. And then exactly on this day, tomorrow we celebrate our Independence Day. That's it. Thank you.